Hello, this is Drink Water, the #1 reviewer on YouTube. Here we have a box, and we're going to see what's in there. Okay, well that didn't work. Let's see what's in the box. This is from Sea Rise Cutlery. And, traditionalpocketknives.com. These are on sale, I believe, till Monday. And some stickers. Can I put what the okay, anyway, we got QSP. Whoa, more stickers. Check out traditionalpocketknives.com. That's where you can find these on sale. That's pretty cool. And we have a Hedgehog. Awesome. Put that there. This back in there. That in there. Alright. QSP Hedgehog. These look pretty cool. Been wanting to check one out for a while. This is the jigged titanium. The M390 blade. Very cool. Decent sized slip joint. Let's crack it open here. Nice. Nice. Close it. Nice. Snap. Nice. Open it. Close it. Open it. Close it. Open it. Okay. That's too much fun. Yeah, this is nice. It's good. Definitely a 4-finger grip knife. There's one super thin blade. So these were on sale for $90. So if you're curious about these, now's the time. Very cool. It's like a kind of a satin finish. Very smooth and shiny. That thing looks super sharp. Cardboard, holy, yeah. Super sharp. Holy crap. Can I say crap? That was cool. That was one slicey knife. That is awesome. QSP Hedgehog. It's a beauty. So got a little bit of a pokey tip. I like that. I like a knife with a little pokey tip on it. Yeah, that pops open and close really nice. This is great. I'm gonna have to find a slip for that. Definitely one I'm gonna want to be carrying. There it is. Just a quick first look video. Shiny, shiny, shiny. I like this full jig tie. This thing's awesome. Hedgehog. Yeah. This is a good one. Cardboard. Cardboard easy. I need something to eat. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or evening or morning. See you soon.